In this video, I'll show you how to perform the binary subtraction using the 2s complement method. So first I'll tell you how to find the 2s complement and then I'll continue with an example. So basically for finding the 2s complement of any number, what you have to do is first find out the 1s complement of that number and then add 1 to that. So let's start with an example, then you'll get a better understanding. So 1 1 1 0 1 minus 1 1 0 1. Let's take one more 0 in front of this so that the number of digits gets balanced. So the first step for doing this is copy the first number, and then second step is find out the 2s complement of this number. For finding the 2s complement, what you have to do is first find out the 1s complement, that means toggle all the bits. So 1 0 0 1 0 and then add 1 to this. So 1 0 0 1 1 will be the 2s complement. So write here 2s complement and then add both of them. So binary addition, 1 and 1 will be 0, 1 carry, 1 and 1 0, 1 carried, 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 and 0 and 1 will be 1 and the 1 is carried. So this was the result of the addition. So there are two cases based on this. First case is carry will be generated and the second case is carry is not being generated. So in this example the carry was generated. So for this what you have to do is just discard this carry. You don't have to consider anything, just discard the carry which was being generated. So this is the result and this will be the final result of this calculation. So this was the method for binary subtraction using the 2s complement if the carry was being generated. So let's take another example in which the carry will not be generated. So this will be 1 1 0 1 minus 1 1 1 0 1. 0 for balancing the digits. So again same, first copy the first number, second find out the 2s complement of this number. So 1s complement will be 0 0 1 0 and add 1. So 0 0 1 1 is the 2s complement. So 0 0 1 1, add both of them. 1 and 1 will be 0, 1 and 1 will be 0, 1 and 1 will be 0, 1 and 1 will be 0 and 1. So this will be the result. So in this you can see that there is no carry being generated. So this is the second case of 2s complement subtraction. For that what you have to do is find out the 2s complement of this number. So the 1s complement will be 0 1 1 1 1, toggling all the bits, and then add 1, add 1, 1 and 1 0, 1 and 1 0, 1 and 1 0, 1 and 1 0 and 1. So this is the 2s complement of this number. So for this result what you have to do is write down the 2s complement with a negative sign. So 0 1 1 0 1 minus 1 1 1 0 1 will be equal to 1 0 0 0 minus 1. This will be the final result, the 2s complement with a negative sign. So let's sum this up. While doing the binary subtraction using the 2s complement, what you have to do is find out the 2s complement of the second number and then add using simple binary addition. There are two cases based on the carry generation. If the carry is generated, just discard the carry, no need to consider anything, and that will give the result. And the second case is if the carry is not being generated. So what you have to do is find out the 2s complement of the binary addition and then add a negative sign with the 2s complement. So this will give the result. So this was the method of 2s complement subtraction. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.